To view real-time sales data, you can access the dashboard screen in Enterprise. This is also known as the landing page. By default, you'll have access to relevant widgets, but if not, you can effortlessly customize your dashboard by adding the desired widgets from the menu. You can do this by clicking on the three dots in the top right-hand corner. Then click Edit Dashboard. Here you can click on Add Widget in the top right of the screen. It will bring up the widget menu. Simply select the widget you would like to add and click Submit. Then you can drag the widgets around and resize as desired. When you are done moving and resizing, you can click on the check mark in the top right to save. Then simply click the X icon to return to the dashboard screen. Once you've added your chosen widgets to the dashboard, you can refresh your data every 2 minutes using the convenient refresh icon provided on the dashboard.